Today we're gonna be trying out this product together, and this is a dry conditioner. I've always heard of dry shampoos but never a dry conditioner, and this is by the brand Waterless. I'm pretty sure that's the brand. I noticed that there's different levels to this. So this one that I have right here is level 3. Now I have very fine hair and oily, so I really want to see how this works. It's paraben free and sulfate free, so I love that. This is a 0.98 ounce. Look at level 2. It says this from fine to medium, so yeah, the higher the level is for the more coarse and thick the hair is, I believe. This one is supposed to be great for thick hair, which is not my hair, but we'll see how it works. 4, which is the highest level, is for thick hair, controls frizz and flyaways, moisturizes dry ends, and detangles without water. Listed down below just in case it works, we'll see. But they have many different products. Ooh, they have a fragrance mist. Oh, I would love that. I love perfume, you know, I love scents, and for my hair to smell good, I'd rather put something on my hair that's like for the hair than just like perfume. I did receive this in my lower box. Use wherever you happen to be. Okay, simply shake. Run your fingers through your hair. Just twist this. Shake well, spray onto ends, brush through. I really like that it's sulfate free. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like a mousse or something. It's alright. I don't think it smells bad. I just want to see if it's gonna make my hair like oily. How about spray it like that? Was that a lot? I'm trying to see like if it's gonna leave my hair sticky. Let's see it, but I mean, it's a nice idea. You're definitely gonna have to like the scent that ends, but I just want to see how it works. It's not feeling sticky. It actually feels nice. My hair does feel softer. My hair is very oily, but this is extremely dry because it's bleached. It has treatments. I don't think this conditioning volume 3 is really bad. You would feel more comfortable. I would maybe go with the level 2 if you have really fine hair. I would definitely use it again. You could either put it on your hand like that, or just take your hair and apply it like this. As you see, this is how it comes out. I don't think it's expensive. If you have the keratin treatment like me, I mean, it's sulfate free, so that is great to know. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.